retrieve ninyo? Ilan na?
Yung retrieve, sir, yung actual na nakukuha namin suspicious item, sir.
Yes,
Anytime
ng mga,
order namin sa...
ng mga bangkay, for example, like kung sila ay skeleton na, human bones na, whatever it might
Yung
be.
nagde-determine nun, sir, yung forensic group po, sir.
Yun, sir, determine. Pero
Yes,
kayo,
kami, sir, yung recovery ng any suspicious na object dun sa baba, iano namin, sir, inaangat namin yun, sir, then tiniturn over namin.
Okay, so ilang object na ang na-recover nyo?
Pag object, sir, kasi ganito, sir, yung situation, if I may, sir, if I may brief.
Right, right. We'd like to also welcome the arrival of Congressman Piñon with minority. Go ahead.
In the span of, as I've mentioned kanina, sir, we've been doing the underwater diving operation for 50 days already, sir. Sustained yun, sir. But, of course, may mga gaps kami dun, sir, because of weather condition. Ilang beses tayong tinamaan, sir, ng bagyo, eh. Then, there are also times dun, sir, pa nag-ooperate kami. Ang situation sa baba, sir, ang divers natin, sir, ang maximum depth, sir, almost 80 plus feet. Ang dinadive na, kaya, sir, ang ginagamit na tangke ng tropa natin, sir, mixed gas na yan. We're using nitrox para makatagal yung diver natin sa boto magtrabaho. Now, we are also using, sir, ROB. Pero, of course, ang ROB, sir, pag ganun ka-murky, sir, hindi mo rin, sir, makakapa, eh. Wala naman senses, sir, ang ROB, eh. So, yung makikita ng diver, ng ROB natin, sir, binabalikan niya ng divers natin, sir. So, in the span of 50 days na continued na operations natin, ang naiangat namin, sir, yung inangat namin, pero yung number niyan, sir, kung ilan yung laman niya ng mga sako, na-mention din, sir, ni Asek kanina, ang kinukuha ng divers natin, sir, nung nakita namin yung pattern is laging may dalawang sack, which is that is already considered as a sinker, then merong primary sack, sir, sa gitna para mailubog siya. So, ang na-recover namin, sir, is 19 na, sir, na underwater operations na may nakuha kaming object. Yan, sir, hindi yan isa-isa. So, kaya na-mention ni Asek kanina, sir, umabot ng ilang daan, sir. Kasi parts yun, sir, eh.
In 50, hiwa-hiwala yan, ha? Sa 50 days, ha?
Correct, sir.
Okay. So, forensics, General, anong masabi po niyo?
Yes, sir. This is Police Brigadier General Danilo Baca, sir, the Director of the Forensic Group. Actually, sir, based on our records, as of August 22 this year, it started July 10, we recovered 401 bones. So,
Are they human bone?
yes, sir, yung human bones na. Then, out of those items, sir, there are a total of 163 samples were subjected to DNA. Then, the rest po nun, sir, ay hindi na po dahil nag-deteriorate na po, wala na pong ano.
How many are related to the missing Sabongeros according to the DNA?
As of the report namin, sir, wala pa pong nag-match.
Wala pa.
Opo, doon sa mga samples na nakuha namin sa mga relatives ng mga missing Sabongeros po.
Pero, wala rin
Pero ongoing
wala
po
rin
yung aming examination.
Yung ginagawa ng ating mga agency dito. Kung wala kayong makikitang any human bone that will actually implicate maisasama nyo sa missing Sabongeros. On the DNA basis you have, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Magiging magiging walang kwenta yung investigation nyo as a truth because of that. So, please, go ahead, Asen.
With due respect, sir, sa inyong observation, I don't think so na hindi po ito mawawalang saysay. Kung matatandaan po natin, 34 po yung nawawala. At although we have reported that there are already 401 human skeletal remains or human bones have been recovered by the Philippine Coast Guard.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
but you do not believe, meron ko pang salita, that you do not believe that all of those missing sabongeros tinapon dyan sa Laal.
Yes, Your Honor.
Meron mga pagkakataon na nawawala sila and they were
Opo.
thrown somewhere else,
Opo.
not only in Taal Lake.
Opo.
Meron na ba kayo nakita, ang CIDB for example, meron na ba kayo nakita na missing sabongero na tinapon sa ibang lugar, hindi lang sa Taal Lake?
Sir, if I may,
Go ahead.
if I may continue. Kasi po, when we compare DNA samples from the relatives, hindi po kasi lahat ng mga kamag-anak ng mga nawawalang sabongero ay nakipag-cooperate. Meron po kasing mga kamag-anak ng mga missing sabongeros ang napabalitang nagpabayad na. Kaya hindi po lahat ng mga relatives na kinakailangan namin.
Ibig sabihin nagbabayad na. Nagpabayad, binayaran
Opo.
na.
Yun po ang balita namin. Pero sa ngayon po, hindi pa po kasi nakukumpleto ang mga DNA samples of the 34 missing sabongero relatives. Kaya hindi po natin maasahang talagang mape-perfect natin ang comparison dito. So, meron pa naman pong mahigit 300 samples pa ang hawak ng forensic group. Sana po, pagtiwalaan po ninyo kami na meron pong mararating ang ating investigasyon.
Walang problema sa pagkitiwala, Asik eh. Ang problema natin, ito, iba yung nakalagay sa pahayagan, iba yung sinasabi ninyo. Yun ang problema natin. Sapagkat nalalaman po natin, ang taong bayan din naman palagay ko, naghihintay dito. Ano ha? Kaya nga itong committee ito ay napagkasunduan na imbestigahan po natin. So we would like to know the truth about all this. Ito yung briefing pa lang po ito. Hindi pa ito hearing. Sapagkat kung hearing ito, meron na kayong OT po. Briefing lang to sapagkat kung ito'y hearing, ay mag-o-taking na kayo dito. At ang gusto lang natin malaman dito, mga kapatid, sa paglilingkod, ano ba talagang mangyayari sa investigation ito? For example, like, medyo sumingaw, ang sabi nyo, na meron ng mga binayaran ng mga biktima, ng mga mag-anak ng biktima. So, ilan na ba nabayaran? Sapagkat tatahimik na yan Hindi na wala nang interest yan. Bayaran na sila Kaya nga sinabi ko kanina, si IDG, sinabi ko kanina, may nabalita rin, na sumingaw din, na meron ng binayaran sa loob ng Philippine National Police tukol dito upang tumihimik na. Nawala na In a short span of time, na ito'y nasa pahayagan ng ilang araw, biglang wala na Wala na, as in, wala na. Wala ka na makikita anumang balita You see, yun po yung concern namin dito, Asik, Cruz, di ba? I mean, sa pagkitiwala, kinakailan talaga magtiwala tayo di ba? Sapagkat kasama namin kayo sa paglilingkod Oo. Pero kinakailangan lang po sa pagkitiwala natin ay ganito. Nasaan naman hindi manguna ang pera dito. Di ba? Tulad ng sinabi mo kanina, na nabayaran na yung ibang biktima, ibig sabihin, pera na ang namayani dyan, no? Kaya pag ang pera na namayani, di ba, ay tapos na ang investigasyon. Tama ho ba ako, si IDG? Kayo nag-iimbestiga
Yes, sir. Tama po kayo. Pero I assure you, Mr. Chair, yung binabanggit, yung aming commitment ay tuloy-tuloy.
What kind of assurance and commitment can you give us?
Personally, Mr. Chair, as Director of CIDG, I could, with all candor, tell you that I intend to finish this investigation hanggang
At hindi ka kayang bayaran, correct?
Hindi po ako kayang bayaran, Your Honor.
Okay. Salamat. Maraming salamat. Hindi under oath yan, hindi pa under oath yan. Maraming salamat. Ito po, meron pong tanong si Congresswoman din sa inyo.
To our resource person about the DNA, how long will the test take before we have the result?
Actually po ma'am, ang process po natin, upon receipt of the sample, it will going to take 7 to 8 days bago po makapag-generate tayo ng...
So since when did you start the DNA testing? Of
Started,
163 bones, according
Opo.
to you.
it started July 10, then naka-receive na po kami. Up to now po, nagkakaroon pa rin po kami ng examination, DNA examination.
Yeah. But what did you say about the number of days?
7 to 8 days po, yung
You're supposed to
process.
have a result already?
Yes ma'am, may result po na...
How come it's August already?
Ma'am, actually, yung August po ay hindi pa po lahat kumpleto. Meron
But
pa po tayong...
With regards to the 163 human bones, syempre, examine nyo yan separately, di ba? You
Yes.
cannot examine them all together.
Yes
If
ma'am,
it started on July 7,
July
some-
10.
is it July 7?
10 po, 10.
July 10?
Yes ma'am,
Now is August already.
yes po.
And you said 7 to 8 days. So, dapat kahit pa paano may resulta na tayo.
Yes ma'am, actually may result na po tayo ma'am.
How do we match to the 34 missing sabongeros?
Actually ma'am, we could not consider the
Disclose.
number of months ma'am. Kasi yung as of now, we only have about 29 samples from the relatives. So meaning to say, yung mga relatives itong 34 missing sabongero po ay 29 lang po nag-submit ng kanilang sample.
So that 34 missing sabongeros is now represented for purposes of DNA by 29 relatives
Yes po.
who have submitted their specimen.
Yes po. Yung,
Out of the 29 relatives, may nag-match na po ba?
so far ma'am, wala pa pong nagmamatch.
But
Dun
are there results already? For the
meron pa po
163
tayong
human
ongoing. ma'am.
bones?
Mayroon pa po tayong ongoing.
No, please answer the question. May resulta na hubang lumabas out of the 163 human bones?
Yes po ma'am, nakakompleto na po tayo ma'am ng 45. Then out of that viable, yung kumbaga yung viable ma'am na pwedeng makunan ng DNA result. Yung 85 na po yun na viable is 45 po ang natapos. Then mayroon pa po undergoing, ongoing, not 40.
Okay. Dun po sa 45,
Yes ma'am.
according to you, tapos na, may
Yes.
nag-match po ba with the 29 relatives
So
of the
far,
34 missing sabongeros?
wala po ma'am.
I wish to ask the DOJ. I remember, if there is no corpus, if there is no body, there is no crime of murder. Ito pa rin ho ba ang jurisprudence natin to this date?
Your Honor, may I allow the prosecutor Reyes to answer the question?
Yes, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I am Prosecution Attorney John Reyes. For that answer, sa general rule, napag-aralan po natin sa law school na when it comes to the crimes of murder, it is really essential na kailangan ma-discover muna yung body ng victim.
So that is tantamount to saying, if from the 163 bones being examined for DNA, none will match with the 29 relatives, then no case of murder can be filed against your respondents. Do you agree?
With candor, I do not agree, Your Honor, considering that at present, hindi pa naman po tapos yung ating ongoing operation sa Taal Lake. In
No,
fact,
I am referring to the 163 bones.
okay,
Please base your answer on that.
as
Kung
far
doon
as-
sa 163, no? Walang mag-match doon sa 29 relatives. Yun lang 163 na yon. Is it correct to say that we cannot file a murder case out of that 163 bones?
with candor, I still maintain my answer, Your Honor, na posible pa rin po. Kasi po, although meron naman po kasi tayong ibang ebidensya. We can use other pieces